Hey, it's your boy Down the T here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing something different. You see here we have 2 plates sitting on the table. In today's video, we're going to be doing a tasting or blind tasting challenge. A blind tasting challenge.
To see if we can, what is it called?
So we're going to wrap this around our eyes, and we're going to put in headphones. And you know, I got the pros, so we're gonna use the noise cancellation so we can't hear each other when we announce the food. Basically, what we're doing is we're checking each other's palates to see if we can identify whatever food we're putting into our mouth while our ears and our eyes are covered. So basically, this is gonna be our blindfold, and this is gonna be our earplugs. And we have 2 plates sitting right here, like I said in the beginning, and we both have 4 ingredients. 4 ingredients, and each one I'm going to put at the camera, and she's gonna do the same. We're gonna tell you what it is so that you guys will know, so you know there's no cheating or anything like that. So who's going first?
I'll do you first.
Okay. I'm gonna go first. Put this on to the side, right, like so.
Put these on. Yeah, put these on first.
Put them on.
Your hat.
Problem solved. Ooh, can I stretch it out?
Can you see anything?
No, I cannot.
Yeah.
Oh.
You see why I said to put them on first?
No, I'm just gonna lift them up like so. I still can't see nothing. I'm gonna put this in my ear. Put the other one.
Okay. Now.
All right, the noise cancellation is on.
I'm still gonna play music.
Yeah, I know.
I'm gonna play your playlist.
Just don't play it too loud. Okay?
Okay. Let me see. Oh, I have to play something, so. Hold on. I'm just looking for a good song. Okay, let's just play this one. Can you hear anything? No?
I have no idea what's going on.
Okay. So, my 4 ingredients is 3 of the things that he hates.
Just tap my shoulder when you're ready to feed me.
I know. So, here we go.
Are we ready?
Yeah, hold on. Wait. Tomatoes.
It's tomatoes.
Yeah, it was tomatoes.
Yeah, I can tell. Them things are disgusting. I hate tomatoes.
I hate next
Did you
one.
tell them it was tomatoes?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I told them everything there was on my plate.
Yo.
Okay, next one.
All right, get the music playing.
This is mozzarella cheese. He hates mozzarella
That's
cheese.
1 point for me, by the way. Mozzarella cheese?
Yeah.
Hey, that's 2 for your boy. Yeah. Yeah.
All right, next one. Okay, he definitely hates these.
You know I hate pickles. You know I hate pickles. Why would you give me pickles? Ew.
Okay, he got that one. Next.
I got a good palate.
Last one.
All right.
That was
Broccoli.
broccoli.
It's broccoli. That's 4 out of 4 for me. I'm too tough. I have a great palate, as you can see. I might as well be a chef. Oh, I can take this off now. I'm too tough. I'm too tough. My palate is awesome. Yo, if I was on
I'm
Hell's
scared
Kitchen,
to see what you're gonna give me.
oh, for real? All right, well,
I thought about stuff that you hated, just to see you eat it.
but broccoli.
Besides broccoli.
Yeah.
I couldn't think of the last thing.
Wow, your boy 4 out of 4. If she don't get
Titus,
what I
man.
got, then she lose the challenge. Now we didn't think what we were gonna do. Like whoever loses, we just. I gotta make sure it's
Jesus.
tight, my guy.
Hi. Goodness.
Do the other one. All right.
Is
My-
voice cancellation
Yeah, it's already on.
on? Okay.
All
I'm
right.
scared, y'all.
Yeah, I know you are.
Because I don't know what you picked for me.
All right, back playing the music now. So what we have here today, ladies and gentlemen, we have cheddar cheese, almond, regular diced turkey, and a Scooby-Doo graham cracker. I think these are the graham crackers. She get graham crackers, she's gonna be right. They're like cinnamon. Okay. We're gonna do cheddar cheese.
Is that Colby Jack?
Yeah.
Yeah, I could tell.
Wait.
I know my cheeses. It's Colby Jack. Right?
I made a mistake. I told you guys. I said this was cheddar cheese.
Oh, it's Colby Jack.
Yeah, it is. Wait,
What?
is it?
Mm-hmm. You just don't leave me here.
Oh.
Is it Colby?
It's Colby Jack. False alarm.
He
I made a
told y'all
mistake.
each other. He don't even
Yeah,
know what
I
he
read
put on
the
his plate.
package wrong. I read the package wrong.
He
It
don't
is
even know
Colby
what he
Jack,
put
so
on
she
his
was right.
plate.
All right, next one.
Gosh.
Almond.
What is it?
Figure it out.
It's salty.
I know
It's
it
an
is.
almond. Is it an almond?
You are correct. Ding, ding, ding.
Why is it salty?
I don't know. All right, move on to the third one.
What are you? Wait.
Why are you still chewing? Turkey.
What's that? How is it? What is this? I don't want to eat it.
What do you?
What? Give up. I give up.
You give up.
What is this?
You gotta figure it out. You have to guess. You have to.
I can't tell what that is.
You want to try another one?
Yeah, what is that?
Turkey.
It's turkey.
About time. I didn't think you would get it right.
No, it's just, I think it was mixing with the almond.
All right. Last and final one.
Let me clear my palate.
A graham cracker. Scooby-Doo snack.
A Scooby snack.
Yeah. It's a Scooby.
You just put the whole thing in my mouth.
Yeah.
You're supposed to give me small pieces of stuff.
It is pretty small.
It don't fit in my mouth.
It do if you try.
It's a Scooby snack, and you can tell by the shape. You should have cut it into pieces.
No, well, maybe I
It's
just gave
dog
it.
shape.
Well,
So basically, he gave me a P3
mhm.
snack bundle and a Scooby snack.
It was the easiest way to knock down 3 and then all I do is think of 1.
So you basically, I went around the kitchen to look for stuff, and you got a whole snack pack and Scooby snacks.
Well,
Oh,
we never gave rules on what it had to be.
I said anything.
And this is anything. Well, there you have it, folks. We both have pretty good palates. I think that we should, one day work for Gordon Ramsay. If you ever watch this, we got good palates. You can definitely hire us for your, head chef or whatever you need. I highly appreciate it.
I love pickles and cheese and tomato.
I can't believe you gave me all 3 things that I don't eat.
I can't believe that you just gave me a snack pack knowing that I know everything that's in there.
Yeah, but it's not about what you already know what it is. It's about you guessing what it tastes like.
True.
Because you had no idea I was going to give you this, so you would have known.
Apparently, when you're blindfolded and can't hear anything,
it's hard to tell what you're eating. Because we've been watching the Hell's Kitchen, and whoever you watched it, you know that he does like the palate testing thing, and people be saying the most bizarre things, and I just be like, how did you not get that right? So I just wanted to test to see how hard it was, and it's really not. I mean, I don't know, it's because I'm used to those tastes and stuff, but
Probably. But they should be used to those tastes too.
yeah, because they're supposed to be chefs.
As chefs.
I mean, I don't know.
It's not that hard, guys.
Nah. But I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, hit that like button for your boy. And if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button as well. Share this to everybody and your mama. I really highly recommend that. I highly
That turkey
appreciate that.
tasted like jelly at the beginning, and I was like,
I was really hoping you was gonna get it wrong.
oh, what the fuck is this?
You said, what is that?
Because it was like jelly-like, and now I'm like, it's salty. Why is it salty and jelly-like?
What?
He kind of got me there with the turkey a little bit.
Yeah, I got them all right off for it. I didn't even hesitate.
He said mozzarella.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, how the fuck? You don't even eat mozzarella.
I don't. See, I told you. That's how I try things. Even though I don't like it, I tried it before. I know what it tastes like. I don't just tell you I don't want it because, no reason. That's why when you put it in my mouth, I'm like, gosh, she put mozzarella sticks in my mouth.
Fresh mozzarella. It's not with mozzarella sticks.
Well, I thought it was the one that you pull off.
Mm-mm. Remember the ball of mozzarella I bought?
That's what you gave me. But I was still right. It's still mozzarella. Even though I said sticks.
I think he knew the pickles right away because it was vinegar.
Yes. As soon as you put it in my mouth, I'm like, that's why I was like, pickles. Well, thanks for stopping by. Stay tuned in the next video.